y plus 4 equals 1/2 times x minus 12, like this. So this is in what's called point slope form, and
Okay.
you want to convert it to slope intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. In other words, you're going to solve for y when you do that. Are you still seeing my screen, or did that drop out?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So if you got that down, you're going to always first distribute this 1/2 in. So that's
Okay.
1/2 x minus 6. Bring down the y plus 4. And again, you're just trying to solve for y. So you notice that there's this plus 4 right here. So you're going to subtract 4 from both sides. Y equals 1/2 x minus 10, like that.
Okay.
So let's do another problem like this one.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
good.
And then maybe I'll have you do one. We'll see what time permits. So let's say it's a y minus 3 equals 1/3 x minus 9. Again, on the right hand side here, you're going to distribute this in. So it's 1/3 x, and then you're multiplying 1/3 times 9. Can you tell me what that is?
1/3 times 9.
Yes.
I'm not really sure, to be honest.
So it's 9 divided by 3. Is that potentially a little easier to see?
Yeah, I'm not really sure. But
Okay. 3.
okay.
3.
So
Yeah.
yeah, how do you get 3 then?
So when it's like 3 times what number gets you back to 9?
Okay. Oh, okay. I see what you mean then. Gotcha.
So on the left here, you have subtraction by 3. So what do you do to undo that? Adding 3 to both sides. So you get y equals 1/3 x, like that. Let's do a couple of fraction practices here before we get another problem. Let me know when you get all this down.
Yeah, I got it all down.
Okay, let's just do a couple of quick fraction practices. What is 1/4 times 8?
4.
So this
Or,
is
oh,
8.
sorry. Oh my
8
gosh.
divided by 4.
Wait, what?
So 1/4 times 8 is the same as 8 over 1. 8 is really
You
8 over 1.
multiply the 4 and the 8, or you just go straight across?
1 times 8, 4 times 1.
Okay. Oh yeah, I did this in like 5th grade.
Yes, we got to get a quick reminder. Okay,
Yeah, I
let's
got it.
try another one here. 1/2 times 16.
It's just 16 and 2.
What does that reduce to?
4
Half.
and wait,
Half of 16.
well, I can't. Oh my gosh, I can't think.
Or 2 times what number gets you to 16?
8. Sorry.
8. Okay. How about 1/3 times 21?
21 and 3.
21 over 3, 27. Good. Okay. Let's try one more of these. Y plus 1 equals 1/3 x plus 6. Okay, so we're going to distribute this 1/3 in to the parentheses. So that's 1/3 x plus, it'll come off to the side here, 1/3 times 6. Can you calculate that for me?
1/3 times 6.
Yes.
6 and 3.
6 over 3. What does that reduce to?
3.
Try again.
2, sorry.
2. And what are you left with here? How do you undo plus 1?
You subtract
Subtract what?
1 on each side.
Okay, so it's y equals 1/3 x plus 1. All right. Do you want me to give you a problem to try?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Do you have this written down, or are you going to want to say that again? I'm sorry.
Yeah, I do.
You got it. Okay. Y minus 5 equals 1/2 x plus 10.
Is it y equals 1/2 x plus 10?
Yes. Very good. Okay, let's move on to the next problem here that I see. The instructions say to, well, you're given some sort of a table. So we'll just do the given problem here, and then we'll make one up. So 5 and 7, 20 and 40. And it says to write the equation in point slope form. So that point slope form is really important. Are you getting a note sheet on your final or a note card or anything?
I'm not sure. I think we might.
Okay, so something that would be good to write down is the we already
Y plus mx plus b.
we did that for slope intercept form. As also, it's really important to put what the actual name is.
Yeah. Okay. Here, I'm gonna write that.
But that's something you want to ask between now and your final.
There are two different forms, right?
No, there's actually a third. So point slope form is y minus y1 equals slope x minus x1, like that.
Got those down.
I'm sorry, you got that down?
Yeah, I got that done. Sorry.
Great. Now, the name tells you what you need. You need a point and a slope, okay?
Okay.
So there's actually 2 points here. There's 520, 740, which means you can use either one for your point. To find the slope, you want to use the slope formula. So this is yet another thing that you may want to write down.
That's the last one. It's slope formula.
Well, we'll see. We may have.
Okay, got that done.
Okay, so when you see this formula, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, do you know which is your x1 and your y1 and which is your x2 and your y2?
I'm pretty sure because I feel like y1 would be 20 and y2 would be 40.
Sure, yeah, that works. So
Okay.
that's 40 minus 20 over 7 minus 5.
Yeah.
Could you calculate that slope for us, please?
Yeah. 20 and 2 or negative 20. Wait,
Which
oh
one?
no.
Is it
Sorry.
positive or negative?
60, negative 60. And
40 take away 20. You have $40 in your wallet and you spend 20 on whatever
20
kid.
then, yeah, 20 and 2.
Yeah, you have 20 and 2.
Okay.
What
I
does
said
that
that
reduce
first,
to?
I said that at first. I thought it was wrong for some reason.
What does that reduce to?
10.
10. So that's your slope.
Okay.
That's your M. So again, what you need is you need a point and a slope. You have the slope. You get a point from using either one of these. It doesn't matter which one. You just pick one. You say, I like the 5 and 20. Okay. So let me summarize here. You have this equation. You know the slope is 10, and the point you're going to use is 5, 20.
Yeah, so would you put the 5 on the M and then 20 on the far X?
This 5 is x1
Yeah.
and 20 is y1.
Oh, okay.
So it looked like this: y minus 20 equals 10, x minus 5.
Okay. Got that.
And that's it, you're done.
All right.
Okay, so let's just review the steps here. You're given this table. You use the table to find the slope. You get
Yeah.
the slope.
Yeah.
Then you pick a point. You say, I like the first one, or I like the second one. Doesn't matter. You pick a point and use the slope and that point to write the equation.
Okay. Yeah, that seems pretty.
Let's do another one here. X and Y. 113, 11, 53.
You want me to do this on my own?
Well, let's have you first calculate the slope.
Okay.
What is the slope?
What?
I want you to calculate
Oh,
the
okay.
slope.
So
Yeah.
you put Y 2 is 53.
Okay. Can you try to calculate this on your own?
Yeah, gotcha. It would be 40 over 10.
What does that reduce to?
4.
So that's your slope. That's thing one that you need. You pick
Okay.
the point. Which point do you like better? Which one appeals to you? I mean,
1 and
yeah, I mean, why not go with the first one? There's no reason not to.
okay.
So you have to know the equation. Your slope is 4, and the point you're using is 1, 13.
Yeah.
I want you to write the equation with those values.
Wait. I put Y minus 13 equals 3X minus 10.
Where did the 3 come from?
I thought, like when you, like the 3, because, oh my gosh, it was 4, sorry.
And where did 10 come from?
10 come from,
You're using this point over here on the right.
yeah, sorry. 13. It's 13, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Y1 is 13. So sometimes it helps to write X1 and
Oh,
Y1 underneath.
yeah, I need to write that. I got confused on that. Oh my gosh. Okay, my bad.
Okay, we're going to switch to the next question because we got enough time to go through a few examples of it.
Okay.
But obviously you can look at the video, do a couple of problems there. Okay, so it says, let me just write that you're going to write it in point slope form.
Okay.
And you're going to have your note sheet out. You're gonna be like, all right, I know that it's Y minus Y1 equals slope X minus X1. And it says though, parallel to Y equals 3X plus 1. So this word parallel is really important. Parallel means same slope.
Okay.
Same slope.
Gotcha.
So what is the slope of this equation here?
And you want me to do it in point slope form?
No, I just want you to tell me the slope of this equation. What is the slope of
3.
this? 3. Good. Let's do another one here. Let's say I give you this equation. Y minus 4 equals -2, x plus 1. What is the slope of this equation?
-2.
-2, good. Okay. So the problem will go on to say through this point, through the point 5, 7. So if you're given a slope and a point, and you want it in point slope form, y minus y1 equals slope x minus x1. Do you see that you have the slope up here, slope of -2 and a point of 5, 7?
Yeah.
Could you write that equation for us with through that point with that slope?
Which one would be y1 next to?
You mean x1 and y1?
Yeah, sorry.
What comes first, x or y?
Y.
What comes first in the alphabet, x or y?
Oh, X. So
So it's always x and then y. You have to find something that helps you to make that stick. Like x comes before y in the alphabet, so it must be x before y and in order to pair. So that's
okay.
x1 and y1.
So would it be y minus 7 equals -2 parentheses x minus 5?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start a problem now, start to finish. I kind of stepped you through that one. So it'll say, let me type this here so that I can copy it for the next one. Write the equation of the line parallel to y equals -2x plus 7 through -3, -8. So this is the equation. This is the problem that you would be given. Just make it a little bigger. All right. Is that easy enough to see?
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay. Parallel means same slope.
Okay.
What is the slope of that line right there?
2. -2.
Slope is -2. If it's through this point, that's your point, -3, -8. And we want it in point slope form. Y minus y1 equals your slope, x minus x1.
I have a question. If it's y minus -8, would it
Yes.
turn into y plus 8?
Yes, exactly. I'm
Okay,
glad you
that's
asked that. That's exactly what
okay, so yeah, that's what I thought. -2 x plus 3. Okay, y plus 8 equals -2 x plus 3.
say that again.
Y plus 8
Yep.
equals -2 parentheses x plus 3.
Perfect. Okay, now before we do another problem, we got to review one other thing here.
Okay.
So there's this notation, f of x equals y. So for example, if I tell you that it's f of 2 equals 3, this means that the ordered pair, x comma y, the x is the number in parentheses, 2, comma 3.
Okay.
2, comma 3.
Yeah.
Like that. All right. So let's say it's f of 4 equals 5. What's x and what's y?
X, okay, y, x is 2 and y is,
We're using this down here.
oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Y is 4 and 5 is x.
Look at the previous one here. Which number was x? The
Oh,
number in parentheses or the number off to the right?
yeah, 4 and 5, 4 and 5.
4 or 5. All right, so here's another one to try. F of 3 equals -2.
Uh, 3 and -2.
Very good. Okay. All right, so here is another question that you might be asked here. Let me grab this one. So let me just change this a little bit. 4x plus -9 through f of 3 equals 4. Okay, so here we go. Actually, let me change this. 5 like that. All right. Parallel means same slope. Same slope. What is the slope of this equation?
4. Yeah, 4.
4. What is this as an ordered pair?
4 and 9. 4 and
4 and
-9.
9. No, right here. This one right
Oh,
here.
3 and 5. Sorry.
3, 5. So now
Yeah.
you want to write as y minus y1 equals your slope, x minus x1.
Okay. So, y minus 5 equals 4x minus 3.
Good.
Parentheses, x minus 3.
Okay, so we got time for one more here.
Gotcha.
Let me manipulate this. Let's go okay, go ahead and try that one, please.
Okay. Can you scroll up really quick? Sorry.
Sure.
I got y minus 2 equals -4 parenthesis x plus 1.
That's correct.
Okay.
All right. That's a great place for us to stop. Need a little break here before my next lesson, but be happy to continue working with you on Thursday on this.
Gotcha.
But I'll send you the notes here shortly, and I'll see you in a couple of days.
All right.
Thanks,
See ya.
Remy. See you. Bye.